What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem still out here. So in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and a review of this camping tent right here. Now this tent basically can use for 3 person. So if you outdoor camping like at a riverside, at a beach, anywhere outdoor adventure like this is the one of the great tent that you can basically use. And I'm going to unbox it, let you guys see what's inside and how it basically works. Alright guys, so the tent basically come in this little bag right here. So inside the case right here we have a user manual that you guys can go through to basically set it up. Who need a user manual? When you have me, can show you guys how to install it. So this is how it looks guys. Right here we have some hooks. Now this hook can basically hook it down into the ground to keep it sturdy from any wind. I'm going to go to that later on in this video. Also we have some of the rod, it's going to keep it up firm. Then we have some of the cover right here. So I'm going to show you guys how this basically works. I'm going to pull out this piece right here. As you can see guys, this is the body of the tent right here. I have it well folded out. Now we are going to go with our rods. Now in this right here we have a lot of different pieces. Alright, so these are the bones which we use to connect up the tent first, so that them hook. This part over here. Alright guys, so I have connected it up right here. You can see that we use these bones go across to over there is this side. So we install one first, then we install the other one. So what we use to install it, we use these clips. So basically pin it up with these clips, try to remove it out to get it well stiff. So this can bind up to each other right here, as you can see. And that's how you install the first section. Now we have one next section right here, which is this piece right here. This is the cover, so if any rain fall or anything like that, you can protect it from wetting up inside. This is the piece right here. Now this piece is gonna go over the tent. We're gonna clip up these parts. You can see we have a clip right here. So I'm gonna clip it right here into the foot. And we can adjust it with this right here. So I'm going to clip it all around. So I prevent it from fall off in terms of breeze. Clip this end right here. We're going to clip this end as well. Keep it stiff. Then we're going to also clip this in this section. Alright, so this piece right here is going to go over the top for the roof, which ensure that this part right here very stiff. So I'm going to push it through. Alright, so there's a hook right here which you're going to put this part into. Just like so. So I'm going to put it into this part so it basically hook. Just like so. You can see guys, get that up stiff. I'm gonna do the back part right here. There's a hook right here as well, as you can see. Alright guys, so if you want, you can basically hook it up in the ground with these right here. Basically plug any part in the ground and hook it up to give it some extra resistant, especially from wind. But because there's no wind blowing right now, we are not going to do that. So you can basically hook it up in the ground just to give it a bit of firmness but you can do that. So this is basically the installation of this tent right here. I hope you guys find this video very helpful. The tent is really neat, spacious, especially inside. It can hold up to 3 persons. As you can see, guys, inside is very spacious. Lot of space right here inside. It can hold 3 persons as it suggests, and it's looking really neat.